Anusha Dhandekar to Kamya Punjabi, TV celebs who hinted about their partners cheating on them. The lives of celebrities are exposed to the audience, and fans keep a track about the happenings in their favorite celebs' life. Not just this, their profession but actors' personal love life has become a hot topic among the gossip mills. And the relationship here are very uncertain. Just like the industry. Recently, Anusha Dhandekar opened about her breakup with Karan Kundra. Let's take a look about the actors who have cheated in love and bounced back again. Anusha Dhandekar. The breakup rumors about Anusha Dhandekar and Kunal Kundra started doing the rounds around mid-April 2020, but both of them stayed quiet on this. However, she recently opened up on the reason behind parting ways, and it included cheating and lying. In an open note on Instagram, Anusha wrote, "So here it is, before the year ends. Yes, I did a show called Love School. Yes, I was your love professor. Yes, everything I shared and the advice I gave was always been real and from my heart. Yes, I love so hard, hard. Yes, I don't leave till there is nothing left for me to try and fight for. Yes, even I am human. Yes, even I lost myself and some of my self respect. Yes, I have been cheated and lied to. Yes, I waited for an apology which never came. Yes, I learned I actually had to apologize and forgive myself. And yes, I have grown and will continue to grow from all of it and look at the positive. You have watched me love so openly. Now please watch me love myself till I'm so full that I can share it with someone again someday. My advice one last time. Love comes in many forms. Just don't let it consume so much that you lose you. Let love be respectful, kind, and most importantly, honest. I deserve it, you deserve it. The most important thing is understanding this because we accept the love we think we deserve. Thank you for always loving me the way you do, my A team. I love you forever, grateful for the good and the bad, all the lessons learned. My love story now begins with me. Kamya Punjabi. Kamya Punjabi and Karan Patel were in a relationship with each other for several years. It was in 2015 that they resorted to separation, and the primary reason mentioned was infidelity. One of Kamya's friends had stated that Karan often cheated her with other women and would return to her, meant things, and promised to not leave her again. However, things went out of hand and Kamya called off the relationship, but was hurt to see Karan move too soon in life with Ankita Bhargava. Divyanka Tripathi. Divyanka Tripathi was in an 8-year-long relationship with Sharad Malhotra. After they parted ways, the actress in an interview revealed that she literally begged in front of him to love her and went to the extent of believing in blind faith. Divyanka said, "When you have to do so much to make someone love you, then it's not love in the first place." She also spoke about how she was shattered completely and couldn't concentrate on work at all. Divya Agarwal. Divya Agarwal was in a relationship with Priyank Sharma. Differences started between the two when he got closer to his co-contestant Benefsa Sunawala inside the Bigg Boss 11 house. This was the reason behind them parting ways with each other. Vikas Gupta. Vikas Gupta said that Priyank Sharma cheated on him with Divya and Benefsa as they were in a relationship even while he was inside the Bigg Boss 11 house. Vikas recently opened up on the suffering with depression due to his breakup with him and due to his sexual preferences. Jennifer Winget. Jennifer and Karan Singh Grover were married for few years. Their marriage ended as Karan got closer to actress Bipasha Basu and divorced Jennifer to marry Bipasha. Both of them did not say anything about the reason behind their separation, but it was evident enough. In an interview earlier, Jennifer had stated, "I experienced a gamut of emotions, but I was so strong that I came out of it without any trouble. Also, I had a lovely support system in my family and friends. Today, all of us are in a happy space." Aijaz Khan. Inside the Bigg Boss 14 house, Aijaz Khan admitted on cheating in one of his relationships. Although he did not take the actress' name, It was Anita Hasandani, whom he was dating and cheated on her with Canadian singer Natalie Deleeuw. Muskan Arora. TV actress Muskan Arora of Mata Ki Chauki fame had alleged Manish Nagdev of cheating on her. Bombay Times had earlier reported that the actress even filed a mental harassment case. Back then, Muskan had said, Manish cheated on me with 4 women before our 1-year relationship ended in May. After being introduced by a friend, he proposed to me. I found out only much later that he was two-timing the same friend with me. He dated other women as well while we were together. I finally realized that he is a habitual offender. He was dating Shrishti Rode. Rubina Dilayak. Rubina Dilayak and Avinash Sehdev had a steady relationship and were all ready to take the plunge. However, Avinash started developing feelings for another actress from the TV industry and they parted ways. Rubina inside the Bigg Boss 14 house even hinted to the fact that the boyfriend of her previous relationship cheated on her with another woman. Well, this was all. Have you also been heartbroken with somebody? Do let us know in the comment section below. Also, for more updates and gossips, keep coming back to telechakkar.com.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telechucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.